Right, howdy, back on the channel finally. It's been quite a while since we've been doing anything out here, so I think we're just going to come back with a little bit of off-roading in the trucks. Me taking the stock Ranger that we've had, no all-terrains. We're going to be on the street tires, but the path ain't that bad, so ain't really going to need no all-terrains on it.
Yeah.
But Dalton's on his third vehicle here, and he's now got
in a year, baby.
He's now got a nice Xterra 4x4. Pretty nice tread on this thing. So he shouldn't have any problems. How you doing? Yeah. Got the bumper off. We got the good approach angles on this thing. Pretty much just going to be hitting up some pretty easy off-road. Only one little technical spot down here. Getting ready. We're going to start doing some more off-road on the channel. Everything. So yeah, let's go ahead and lock the hubs so we can use 4. Oh, nice old manual locking here. Very nice. And I'll get her in 4 so we can go down. Pretty good little trail, really just hugging ruts the whole time, and then there's one little technical spot. But yeah, we're gonna head on down the trail, see what we can get into. Right here, good God. So basically, we've got a little bit extra going down here. It's just pretty smooth down to the next transition. So just gotta avoid this big rut. Coming up on the main transition here. We'll get it when we come back up, but God, there's a rut here. I might crawl it when I come back up, if these tires will let me. Honestly, I think we've made it worse down here every time because it gets muddy and we absolutely ruin it. Xterra looks good on the trail. Now, I wish y'all could have seen when Zach here took his truck and jumped it into some trees down here, because that was pretty fucking stuff. Oh, big bump. Should I hit it, jump it? so basically the trail about dead ends up here. So this right here is our turnaround spot. I'll need a better approach angle than that. It needs weight on the back. Very nice. How you liking your one-wheel peel sometimes?
About bad, need to get it welded.
Got the Ranger over here.
Not having fun. She crawled up in my lap and was crying like a baby.
Where's she at now?
Under the seat, I think.
Oh, I can hear her. Got the Ranger turned sideways. It feels a whole lot worse when you're in real life. That's probably a better angle to get it. But yeah, now we're at the turnaround spot, so we're flipped around here. We'll head back up the hill, hit those transitions, and I'll probably take another line that's a little bit more difficult than we've been doing, just so I can test it out. So, but yeah. Pretty good stuff through here. Not bad for stock tire, but you know. She rattles a lot, I can tell you that much. Hey, how am I looking on that deep spot right there? I'm gonna try to climb up it. Right. A lot easier to climb these ruts when it's dry.
She's having a time.
Where's she at?
Under the seat still.
Where you at? Oh, poor baby. I know, it's hot, ain't it? Should have brought her some water. I got some in the truck if she wants it. Gotta continue on up the trail. It's about 1 billion degrees out here, so. Here's the next spot I'm gonna try here. Go up it here on that side and then go off instead of following the main trails. Hit it with a little bit of speed right there to pop up on it. There you go. Bring her on out. Sometimes you gotta make your own trails, boys. Right, so that was a little quick off-road video for y'all, nothing too crazy. Just hitting up this little trail. Tried a few new lines just for the video, so pretty good. Y'all have fun over there?
Yep.
Hot, burning up. Yeah, Dalton's gonna need to be fixing his old one-wheel pill on either side. That was kind of hurting you out there.
Yeah. Now I just gotta figure if I want to get lockers or whether it's gonna weld it.
I don't know. I think a locker would work pretty good so you can at least still steer in parking lots worth of crap.
Yeah, that's what most people do. Zach's disappeared into the woods. He's going home.
Yeah, he's going back to his natural habitat out there. I can only imagine where we could go if we just went straight out here and just started plowing in.
Probably on private property where we're gonna get shot.
Well, that's where we've been the whole time.
Well, yeah, but more private property.
That don't matter.
Owners.
Yeah, there's the old Ranger getting some work done today. Pretty good. Guess we're gonna close it out right here, get these things back to the house, get that dog some water so it don't die. So hope y'all enjoyed. See you next video.